Hi, I'm Effie and welcome back to Lifestyle Tips for Me. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to eat clean while dining out and traveling because I know it's not always easy to stick to your healthy habits when you're on the go. Whether you're at a restaurant, on a trip, or at a social event, I'm going to give you the tips you need to stay on track with your clean eating goals. Let's get into it. Step 1. The struggles of eating healthy on the go. Eating clean while you're out and about can be a challenge, especially when you're busy or surrounded by tempting food options. Lack of options at restaurants can make it hard to choose clean, nutritious meals. Portion sizes are often much larger than you need. Social pressures and convenience foods can lead to temptation. But don't worry, it's possible to eat clean while dining out or traveling. You just need to be prepared. Step 2. How to make smart restaurant choices. When dining out, there are simple ways to make smart choices and still enjoy your meal. Ask for modifications. You can always ask for grilled instead of fried or dressing on the side. Portion control. Ask for a smaller portion or even split a dish with a friend to avoid overeating. Focus on whole foods. Choose meals that are based on fresh vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. When you ask for small changes, restaurants are usually happy to accommodate, and you'll feel better knowing you're sticking to your clean eating goals. Step 3. Travel-friendly clean snacks and meal prep tips. When you're traveling, you might not always have access to healthy options. That's why meal prep is key. Pack your own snacks. Nuts, seeds, and fruit are easy to take with you and don't need refrigeration. Portable meals, bring pre-made salads, wraps, or whole grain bowls that are easy to eat on the go. Use healthy meal delivery services. If you're flying or staying in a hotel, some services will deliver clean meals to your location. Having these travel-friendly snacks and meals on hand ensures you won't have to settle for unhealthy options while you're away from home. Step 4. Navigating social events without breaking your clean eating goals. Social events can be the hardest part of staying on track, but there are ways to navigate them while sticking to your clean eating goals. Eat beforehand. Have a small healthy meal or snack before you head out, so you're not starving when you arrive. Make smart choices at the event. Choose healthy options when available, like veggie trays, lean meats, and salads. Don't be afraid to say no. It's okay to turn down unhealthy foods. Your friends will understand that you're focused on your health. By being mindful of your choices, you can enjoy social events and still stay on track with your clean eating goals. Eating clean while dining out or traveling doesn't have to be hard. With a little preparation and smart decision making, you can stay on track and feel great no matter where you are. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your biggest challenge when it comes to eating clean while eating out or traveling? Comment below and let me know. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more clean eating tips. In the next video, we'll explore how clean eating can fuel your energy and improve your mindset. Be sure to check it out.